Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Schedule Trigger in N8n. This feature allows you to automate workflows at specific intervals, making it perfect for recurring tasks like daily reports, weekly backups, or regular data syncing. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your automation workflows. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your scheduled automation. After clicking that button, you'll be taken to the N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice two distinct options for creating your workflow. The first is the manual approach, which presents an Add First Step option, giving you complete control over each element you add. The second option is Build with AI, which can help generate workflows based on your requirements. For our purposes today, we'll be working manually to understand exactly how schedule triggers function within the system. To add a schedule trigger to your workflow, position your cursor anywhere on the workflow editor screen and right-click. This will bring up a menu of options. From this menu, click on Add Node. Once you do this, a side panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you'll search for and select the specific nodes you want to include in your workflow. Locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in Schedule Trigger, then click on the result that appears. This is the node that will control when your workflow runs automatically. Now, a parameter window will open up, and this is where you configure exactly how and when your trigger should activate. The first setting you'll see is the Trigger Interval dropdown. Click on it and you'll be presented with several time unit options, including days, minutes, hours, seconds, weeks, or months. Choose the interval that best suits your automation needs. Next, you'll need to set the days between triggers, which determines how frequently the workflow should run based on your chosen interval. Below that, you'll find a Trigger at Hour drop-down menu. This lets you specify the exact hour of the day when you want the workflow to execute. Finally, fill in the trigger at minute field to pinpoint the precise minute within that hour when the trigger should activate. And that's all there is to it. You've now configured a schedule trigger that will automatically run your N8n workflow at your specified intervals. This automation can save you countless hours by handling repetitive tasks without any manual intervention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.